Yan na si Miss Rachel. Dance daw. Pakug. Kisas ba? Aprag.
Apa ang frog?
Which one of these begins with the letter S?
S daw.
Is the S under the ball? No. Ball starts with B.
Sun.
Ball.
Kabrait ko doy.
Is it
Saan?
under the turtle? No. Turtle
Bow.
starts with T. T.
Bye.
Turtle. Is it under the
Ba.
sun?
Ba.
S.
Ba, naapa ang
That's where the S
turtle.
was hiding. S.
Ba.
Naapa. Sun.
Frog. Frog.
Found it.
Ba.
Naapa ang frog.
Good job.
Ah. Ba.
Sa una kay mga kuy na may diretso.
Chill. So happy. Hug, hug. Hug ang baby.
Giving makes my heart happy.
Me too.
Would you like a hug?
Oh, sure.
Uy, hug.
Hug.
Hug daw. Hug.
Thanks, Miss Rachel.
Hug nanay.
Come to Frag Rock anytime you want.
Hug.
Thank you. I
Hug, hug.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Hug. Dali, hug. Hug. Yee, hug. Hug, tatay. Hug. Hug, hug. Yee.
Uy, tuwa
Hug
na
mo
ba?
sa tail.
Yes.
Uy.
This screw.
Star.
Great job. Let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. I love that. Mr. Aaron and Simon. Come on, can you get your Itsy Bitsy Spider ready? That's it, your Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Spider.
Speed, speed. Oh. Pinis lang, may pod.
Spider.
Come on, let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Bitsy, bitsy spider. Make your on the strip. Down down the river. Strawberry ups.
Hey, everybody. Let's let's do the great
Mama.
the great big spider went up the water spout. Down in the rain and washed the spider out.
Dance, dance.